Are you on your way to Marriott's Oceana Palms in Riviera Beach, Florida, and you want to see what a renovated 2-bedroom villa looks like in the Sunrise Tower? Well, don't click off this video. You'll want to stick around and see it right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. As we head down here to start taking a look at this 2-bedroom villa here, renovated villa at Marriott's Oceana Palms, the first thing we're going to see when we step inside in this entryway is just a couple of pieces of art here on the wall. One there is actually half art and half mirror. Next, we're going to step in and take a look at the kitchen here. Beautiful kitchen, beautiful stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Everything that you need in the kitchen is provided here for you. You definitely can cook up some great meals here at Marriott's Oceana Palms. Next up, we're going to take a quick look at the in-room laundry. Just a stacking washer and dryer here in a closet off the kitchen. Now let's take a look at the dining room. You're going to be wondering, why is this dining room table set so extravagantly? Well, that's because this is actually the model villa. And I want to thank the general manager and the rest of the staff there for giving me the chance to come and check out this renovated villa here. Now let's move into the living room. Kind of some interesting choices here in this renovated villa at Marriott's Oceana Palms. If you've been a subscriber to my channel for a while, or if you've checked out some of my other Oceana Palms videos, you might be thinking that this actually looks a little bit familiar. Well, that's because I actually did a before and after video of the villas here at Marriott's Oceana Palms. So before the renovation and after the renovation. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link to it up in the upper right there. So be sure to check that out. You can see what it looked like before, and you can see what it looks like. Well, you already know what it looks like now, but you can definitely compare the before and after. It's pretty interesting. But yeah, in the living room here, you do have a couple of chairs and a pull-out sofa. It does pull out into a queen-size bed. And that ottoman there actually has been replaced. That is the original ottoman that was in this villa before the renovations. They've actually now switched it out for a coffee table. There is actually some pretty interesting artwork on the wall here. Definitely adds to the beach vibe in this 2-bedroom villa, this renovated villa at Oceana Palms. And you do also have a TV stand there with a large flat screen television up on top. Something that we've been noticing though when they've been redoing these villas, many of them are not putting back in the DVD and Blu-ray players. Now let's head in. We're going to take a look at the guest bedroom here. This guest bedroom actually has 2 queen-size beds. Total square footage of the entire villa is 1,150 square feet, and it will sleep up to 8 people. So 4 people in here, 2 in each queen bed, 2 in the living room if you pull that sofa out into a sofa bed. And when we take a look at the master bedroom with the king, 2 in there as well. So a total of 8 people in here. You do also have a pretty good sized dresser in here with a television. Then we're just going to take a quick look at the guest bathroom here. Just a single vanity, toilet, and a bathtub with a shower. Moving across to the other side of the main living area, the living room and dining room area, we're now going to take a look at the master bedroom. Like I said, you do have a king-size bed in here, beautifully redecorated. A couple of nightstands, some lamps, and lots of light in here from that huge, beautiful window there. There is, of course, a dresser here with another television up on top. As we make our way towards the master bathroom here, we're just going to take a quick look at a closet here. It's where you're going to find the in-room safe. Now for the master bathroom. You do have a double vanity there and a huge bathroom mirror here as well. Granite countertops throughout, as well as in here, perhaps the best thing of this villa, a huge walk-in shower. Now that we've taken a look at the entire inside of the villa, it's time to step outside, and that is outside onto this glorious balcony. Perhaps some of the best balconies in the Marriott Vacation Club timeshare system. The balconies here at Marriott's Oceana Palms do have 4 chairs and a table. Nicely redone, some new furniture out here in this renovated villa. So there you have it, the 2-bedroom renovated villa here at Marriott's Oceana Palms in Riviera Beach, Florida. So what do you think about this villa? Or are you planning a trip here in the near future? Let me know all about it down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out these videos. Also helps tell YouTube you like these videos too, and to push you more just like it. And if you want to see more videos all about timeshare from my channel, check out the description box below. And for another video about Marriott's Oceana Palms, check out the one up there in the upper right. And YouTube, they think you'll like the one right below that. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.